If the President continues to refuse to assent to those bills, we will take them to court. We will take them to this court, if necessary, to the Caribbean Court of Justice, the CCJ.
Opposition leader Leader Granger speaking at a press conference on Wednesday at his Hatfield Street office. Granger was responding to the recent statement by the General Secretary of the People's Progressive Party about a Partnership for National Unity APNU taking its argument over the non-assent of the 4 local government bills by President Donald Ramotar to the law court. The opposition leader said given the National Assembly is the authority over the crafting of laws, he believes that the parliamentary clerk or attorney general should not delay on matters of major interest to citizens.
And that is what is taking place. If you use that interpretation, it means that the attorney general could keep the bill on his table for the next 6 months. So it has to be 21 days after approval by the National Assembly. That is the authority. The Attorney General or the Minister of Legal Affairs has no power to move a single comma from a bill that the National Assembly has passed.
The government's chief spokesman, Cabinet Secretary Dr. Roger Luncheon, during his weekly press briefing sought to justify why the 4 bills have not reached the President's office to be assented. Dr. Luncheon is holding out that the bills are not at the President's desk since it remains at the Attorney General's chamber, so it cannot be concluded that the President is deliberately delaying the process to enact the bills.
I am unaware, totally unaware, that there is any substance to this statement in the form of what seems to be an allegation about stalling. I despair of this notion that there is some sleuth ordinarily and that there can be some fast tracking in selected instances.
The 4 bills which pave the way for local government polls were passed by the National Assembly close to a month. GCOM Chairman Dr. Steve Surajbali has given a 6-month time frame from the assent of the President to the local government bills for the Commission to be ready for local government polls.